Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the BJT bistable multi-vibrator in LT-Spice. So we will understand the circuit flow and then I will run the simulation and I will show you the waveform of BJT bistable multi-vibrator. Okay. So let us understand the circuit flow. As you know, the bistable multivibrator, it is having two stable state. That is why it is called bistable. So it is having two stable state. In monostable multivibrator, it is having one stable state, and in astable multivibrator, it is having uh, no stable state, right? Astable multivibrator is also known as free running multivibrator, right? So in astable multivibrator, it has no stable state. In monostable multivibrator, it has one stable state, and in the bistable multivibrator, it has two stable state. So in the last two video, we have already understood about the BJT astable multivibrator simulation in LT-Spice, BJT monostable multivibrator simulation in LT-Spice. So in this video, we are going to learn about the BJT bistable multivibrator simulation using LT-Spice tool, right? So here you can see I have already drawn the circuit for BJT bistable multivibrator. You can see here there is a two transistor Q1 and Q2 connected, two resistance R1 and R2 connected, and you can see here there is a two trigger pulse which is being given by using this R6 resistor and D4 diode. And for here, this I named as a set and this I named as a reset. This is also R5 along with D3, right? So now let us understand the voltage source. So this is VDD, which is given directly is 5 volt. Okay, this VDD is 5 volt, and this is the voltage source 2, which I named as set. So this is connected to here. So you can see the net of these two is same. That is set and set. So for the set, I have chosen pulse here. So initial voltage is 0, on voltage is 5 volt, and this will appear after the delay of 5 millisecond. Then rise time is 1 nanosecond, fall time is 1 nanosecond, and T on, that is on period, is 5 millisecond. So for the reset, I have chosen pulse here. Initially it is 0, on voltage is 5 volt, delay is 30 millisecond. That means after 30 millisecond you will have a pulse for 5 volt for period of 5 millisecond, right? So this this is basically a set, and this is also, if you know, set and reset flip-flop, that is RS flip-flop. So it's, we have like set and reset flip-flop. Let us run the transient analysis and I will show you the waveform for this. Okay, so to run the transient analysis, you have to go the simulate button, edit simulation command, transient, stop time is 100 milliseconds. So I've chosen this, click it OK. Now I will run the simulation. So go at this button, run here. So click it on here. You will see two window, one window for circuit and one window for simulation. I will use two window, not one window. So let me divide this window into four pane, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and let me show you the waveform. So first I will show you the set pulse. So this is set pulse. Initially for 10 millisecond it is 0, and you can see here there is a 5 volt for period of another 5 millisecond, right? Period of another 5 millisecond, and it triggers, it goes again to 0. So this is set. Now let me show you the reset pulse, right? So this is reset pulse. until 30 millisecond it is 0, then it has a pulse for 5 volt for the period of like 5 millisecond and it goes to 0. Let me show you now the output for this bistable multivibrator, and I will first click at out minus. So this is the output. So you can see this is your set pulse. When you are applying your set pulse, when you are applying your set pulse, your multivibrator V out is V out is going 0 and it is holding one state, that is 0 volt or low level state. And whenever you apply your second pulse, that is V reset pulse, you apply set, it goes 0, and if you apply reset, it goes up and it holds the state. So let me show you the output at out plus. Okay, so this is the behavior of out plus. When you apply your first pulse, that is set pulse, it goes high and it remain at the same state unless and until you apply your second pulse, that is reset pulse here. Okay, so this is reset, V reset, V out minus, V out plus. So the as you know about the bistable multivibrator, it is having two stable state. So let us say if you apply this trigger pulse, set trigger pulse, it is holding the state high unless and until you apply your second trigger pulse, that is reset. And once you apply your reset trigger pulse, it goes down and it hold the state low. So that is how you can say it is a kind of set and reset flip flop, and it holds two state, one high state and one low state. It depends on your V reset and V set timing. Okay, so hope you understand the behavior of BJT bistable multivibrator simulation in LT Spice. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.